2, 4, 3. It was cozy. He was sleeping under. Oh, he's so cute.
He's about to be owl food. This is what we were trying to get. He's about to be owl food. Say goodnight, Stuart Little. That is this episode of Easy Peasy Ranch. See you later. All of our stuff ready to go for the day. So let's get on the road. So I've got two main things that I gotta get done today as soon as I get home from work. The first thing that needs to be done are the photos for our fifth wheel so we can actually get that thing up to start renting. If you're looking for a fifth wheel to rent in Southern California, basically within 100 miles or so of Temecula, California specifically, please let me know. I would be more than happy to rent that out to you. I'll get the links and stuff like that situated, and I'll announce it on here when we're actually ready to start doing that here soon. The other thing though, that the rut has started to come back, and I would like to be able to get my car out tomorrow morning to actually go to work. Even though it's going to be raining, we're going to be focusing on certain areas of our largest client, so still want to be able to get out. I really don't want to take this just because it costs way too much to drive. So anyway, that's the plan. I'm probably going to try to build up at least 6 inches or so of dirt here, maybe a little bit more if I can, and I'll just go from there. So rain's supposed to start around 1 to 3 p.m. I'm hoping to be home before that time, but who knows? Who freaking knows? All right, time to roll. Actually, really quick before we get going, I'm not too sure if my wife is going anywhere today, so I want to make sure that I've got this thing all closed up. That way she doesn't have to worry about it. Simple as that. Okay, well, it's officially started raining. Ran out of time, didn't get out here before the rain started. So I'm gonna be working in the rain a little bit just to try to get some of that dirt built up here. See if I'm actually able to accomplish that before the rain starts really picking up. So we got hit with a pretty good storm last night. Only about 6 inches or so of snow, but we got snow. We're actually really excited. I took today off. Getting out of here is a little treacherous, and I haven't driven in deep snow before, so I'm just gonna stay here today. But my wife and I are about to go outside and see it for the first time. Bring y'all along.
Oh no, we'll definitely slide down this. It's thick enough. I'm not even stepping into the bottom yet. We should
What?
go to the very front and take a picture before it all.
Yeah. What do you think?
It's crazy that it's not happening.
This is a lot of snow. This is so freaking cool. So in a little bit, we're gonna bring our son out here and take him sledding down our hill, and then we're also gonna have our dogs running around in the snow for the first time. We'll definitely capture that, but it's just so cool. I know it's normal to all you people that live out of California and the normal winter states, but this is something that we're not used to at all. So this is really cool, and this is our first like true winter storm. Oh, okay, it's bent that way. Look what the heck is happening. Uh-oh. Oh no. They do not know what's happening. Look at Willow.
Look at Titus.
He loves it. Holy crap.
Oh, Tay. I think Willow's eating it
Probably.
as she's walking, grazing like a cow. What else is new?
There we go. Don't eat yellow snow.
Here she goes.
He freaking loves it. Oh my gosh, it's so funny.
Go, Tay, go!
Go, Baba, go!
Go, Tay!
Go, 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 go! Get her, Tay Tay. Alright, so as you can tell, all the snow is basically gone. Our neighbor has some left on his property, but the majority of ours is gone. Regardless though, we're so thankful that we actually got to experience the snow. That was super cool. But now we're left with the aftermath of it, and really it's just dealing with all the water buildup. As you can see here, remember the ravine that we all filled in? Well, it's back and worse than it was actually. So, you know, it's all part of it. We'll figure out the solution, the big long-term solution here soon, but essentially same damage that we had before. But regardless, thank you again so much for watching. This is Eric with Peasy Ranch. Please like and subscribe if you haven't. Please join our party here. Talk to you soon. Take care.